Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy stocks on Fidelity step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. If you're new to investing or just getting started with a Fidelity brokerage account, this guide will walk you through the entire stock buying process. Southwest, you can place your first trade with confidence. After logging into your Fidelity account, you'll be taken to the main account dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you may see a button labeled Trade Now. Clicking this button will take you directly to the trading page. If you don't see the Trade Now option, you can also navigate to the Trade section by hovering over Accounts Trade in the top navigation menu and selecting Trade from the drop-down options. Once you reach the trading page, Fidelity may ask you to choose which brokerage account you want to use if you have multiple accounts linked to your profile. Select the account you want to trade from and continue to the trading screen. On the trade page, you'll see information about your available cash balance, which represents the amount you currently have available to invest. If you don't have funds available, you'll need to transfer money into your Fidelity account before you can purchase stocks. The next section is where you'll enter the stock you want to buy. Fidelity allows you to search using either the company's name or its stock ticker symbol. As you begin typing, Fidelity will display matching results and provide additional information about the company. You can select the company you're interested in and review any available details before placing your order. Once you've selected the stock, make sure the buy option is chosen. Fidelity gives you the flexibility to purchase stocks either by entering the number of shares you want to buy or by entering a specific dollar amount. The dollar-based option is especially useful for investors who want to purchase fractional shares, allowing them to invest in higher-priced stocks without needing enough money to buy a full share. If you're purchasing by shares, simply enter the number of shares you'd like to buy. If you're purchasing by dollar amount, enter the amount you'd like to invest, and Fidelity will calculate the corresponding fractional shares based on the current market price. Next, you'll need to choose an order type. The most common option is a market order, which instructs Fidelity to buy the stock at the best available market price when the order is executed. Another option is a limit order, which allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay for the stock. The order will only execute if the stock reaches your specified price or better. After selecting your preferred order type and entering the necessary details, Fidelity will display an estimated order value so you can review the expected cost of the purchase. Most stock trades on Fidelity are commission-free, making it easier for investors to buy stocks without additional trading fees. When you're ready, click the Review Order button. This will take you to a summary page where you can carefully review all of the order details, including the account being used, the stock you're purchasing, the number of shares or dollar amount, the order type, and the estimated cost of the transaction. Take a moment to verify that everything is correct. If the market is currently closed, Fidelity may display a notice explaining that the final execution price could differ from the current quoted price once the market opens. This is normal for market orders placed outside regular trading hours. If all the information looks accurate, click the Place Order button to submit your trade. Once the order is successfully submitted, Fidelity will provide a confirmation screen showing that your purchase request has been received. Depending on the order type and market conditions, your trade may execute immediately or remain pending until the specified conditions are met. And that's how to buy stocks on Fidelity. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.